de Mexico. 22 wins, only 1 loss, 1 draw, with 15 wins coming by way of knockout. A consensus top 10 ranked lightweight in the world. Please welcome the very exciting Isaac Pitbull Cruz. And his opponent to the stage at this time, the defending world champion from Baltimore, Maryland. 25-0 with 24 big knockouts, the hard-hitting young star of boxing. 3-division world champion, Gervonta Tank Davis. And it looks like the challenger is ready to step onto the scale at this time. For the WBA Lightweight Championship of the World, weight limit is 135 pounds. Onto the scale, undefeated in the past 5.5 years, the challenger, relentless, popular, and exciting contender, Isaac Pitbull Cruz.
134.2.
134.25 pounds, 134.25 pounds for Pitbull Cruz. And his opponent is the defending world champion, in fact, 5-time world champion in 3 weight categories, the undefeated, sensational WBA super featherweight and lightweight champion of the world, Gervonta Tank Davis. 134.5 pounds, 134.5 pounds for the defending champion, Gervonta Tank Davis. There they are, ladies and gentlemen. Expect fireworks for the WBA Lightweight Championship of the World. Gervonta Tank Davis versus Isaac Pitbull Cruz. Promising very exciting showdown between these two determined, relentless, hard-hitting fighters. Once again, Gervonta Tank Davis, Isaac Pitbull Cruz, live on Showtime Pay-Per-View.
All right, let's go. Forward now.
He don't break